You should remember that black could not have been behind white, because it's just impossible to take white out of black. But you can take white out of black, but not black out of white. This makes you be the first. Regardless to what people say, you are the first. Because we can't make this our color from white. No, sir. It has been experimented many times by the enemy to see if he could not claim first too, or equal as first. But he can't do it. It's impossible. Now he's going up. Allah opened up the heavens, as the Holy Quran teaches, to let him go up there and peep in, and then bring him down to the bottom of hell. Because he's not able to stay up there. He's not able to stay nowhere, only where Allah permits him to stay. Then Allah takes him away from that at will. Anytime he will, he take him away. Oh, the white man go to the moon. Yeah, but what is the moon? It's our moon. He didn't find there where he made anything. No, he didn't make nothing up there on that moon. We made it. Let him go and peep at it. Now he's making instruments to look at the civilization on Mars. Well, when he see what's on Mars, he won't see no mark of his. It's our Mars, our people, so God have taught me. And that he didn't know they was there until just a few days ago. He used to look at Mars and just call it a star, and that's all. But our fathers made it with some type of intelligent beings, like ourselves. They walk on 2 feet or hinds. They are not animals. They are intelligent people. The marks that we see on Mars is not from an ignorant, silly, uncivilized person. They show signs of civilization. And they look something similar to us, not exactly, but they look similar. They walk on 2 feet, and they're not white folks. That shows you and teaches you that we of this planet, the black man is the first. Since we don't find no planet coming out with a super civilization over us. The Mars people, they have civilization, but it's not equal with ours. So God have taught me. They're not our equal. We are their superior. They are superior in trying to live long time over us. This is just because we got so much sense we're crazy. That's right. We know too much. And we always is experimenting to know more, learn more. These people, the nature teaches them to be satisfied with what they have. been given by God, called nature. So they live, so God taught me, in the person of Master Farad Muhammad, 1,200 of our earth years. While we sit around here thinking we live in some time to get 50. That's right. We just live to get 50 years old. We think we have lived a long time. Exhausting the power of our thinking brains before ever that we get in the world good. Too fast. Having so much knowledge that we just exhaust our knowledge of seeking and testing that which we have, arrive at higher knowledge before ever we learn the higher places of wisdom and understanding. We are exhausting ourselves, racing with each other. So, my beloved brothers and sisters, I don't want you to think that I am here this afternoon to exhaust your patience. But what I am after trying to do for you, to get knowledge in your head that you never have had.